Hi, so today is the 8th of April. The time is 5:20 in the evening and we are recording from Indore. So let us look at various indices in the Asian region and see how Nifty and Bank Nifty are doing compared to them. This is the chart of Shanghai Composite, and the Shanghai Composite retraced 38% of the previous fall. This is Nikkei, and Japan's Nikkei also retraced 38% of the current fall. This is Hang Seng, and that also retraced more than 38%, actually almost less than 50% of the previous third wave. So most of the indices had retraced 38% or more, whereas look at Nifty, struggling to even reach 38% retracement. Let us look at Bank Nifty 2 could not even make it to 38.2% retracements. Therefore, it's very clear that the Nifty and the Bank Nifty are the weakest in the whole of the Asian as well as compared to the American counterparts. So much for all this bullishness and people saying that we are having a 10% rally and so on and so forth. But looking objectively, this is pretty clear that the Nifty and the Bank Nifty and the Indian stocks are particularly and comparatively weaker than their Asian and the European and the American counterparts. So now let us review the price action in Nifty. Let's go back to the lower time frame, 30-minute chart. In the 30-minute chart, the last time we made our video was here. And here we had said that this fall was only in three waves. And therefore, it was quite possible that Nifty would take off again and go to this high at least, so that this makes a ABC to the upside. That is exactly what happened. It gapped up and then went on going up for the last 2 days. So now what? So today's price action, yesterday's and today's price action produced five waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the 15-minute chart, and then the Nifty reversed sharply and gave up all of today's gains and closed in the red. So this is quite possible that wave C up is done here, and therefore wave 4 is also done, and we should see a sharp fall in wave 5 to the downside. But to be confirmed of that, we need this trend line to be penetrated at 8200. Once 8200 is gone, then we are pretty much sure that we are going all the way down to below 7000. Is it possible that the Nifty still goes up and makes another high? That is definitely possible. Yes, cannot be ruled out. But even then, it will be a counter trend move and it could move up and make another new high somewhere around 9500 to 9600. That is possible. But is it probable? I don't think so. Why? That's why I showed you all those charts right now. Hang Seng, Shanghai, Nikkei, you can even look at Taiwan. All of them have crossed 38%, whereas Nifty has been languishing, struggling to even reach 38% retracement. Therefore, this is the relative laggard in the whole of the region. The other canary in the coal mine is Bank Nifty. Let's look at that. So we have Bank Nifty. Let me clear up the chart. So here in Bank Nifty, you can see that the C couldn't even take out the way high. It is so weak, and therefore the C wave looks to be truncated over here. So again, nothing is confirmed. It needs to break through this trend line to the downside for the C wave to be confirmed. But more or less, this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the up, and then it's come down. So this kind of weakness in the Bank Nifty is very, very worrying, and I would be extremely cautious on bullish bets in the Indian indices. The other thing you can very clearly see is the reverse RSI divergence where RSI has made a big high, whereas the prices have not made a new high almost here. It's pretty much more significant in the Nifty. If you look at the Nifty chart, you can see that RSI is making a higher high here, whereas the prices have not made a higher closing high compared to this. There is a reverse divergence in the RSI as well. So folks, that is all about it for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So tomorrow's and next Monday's trading would be pretty much illuminative of what is happening finally for the Indian markets. Thank you and bye bye.